Good afternoon, welcome to another Scottish adventure. We've just driven up from Torridon. Today we're going to be tackling Beinn h-Eaglaise, or whatever how you pronounce that. Correct me if I'm wrong, I have no idea. And the date is the 4th of September, it's 1 o'clock. But yes, this is quite a big one. Not massive, but 800 metres. Not to be sniffed at. Weather's looking good. 0% chance of rain apparently. Touch wood. Touch wood. And we start off on this forest trail, which is very nice. And up into the hills we go. Just swinging left now. We're just about to get out the woods. Nice little gradual path that. Let's test the calves out. I haven't done any hills for a while actually. We had a little mooch about yesterday, but nothing hilly. So yes, it's good, enjoying it so far. Onwards we go. Just had to do a little river crossing there. I assume there'll be a bridge, but not in Scotland. Real men don't use bridges. Man, just look at this. Unreal. Unbloody real. Oh. Bog. Biggity bog. So we've just walked all along this valley. So I think we're going to go around this little hill, then we start our ascent up there to the top. So far so good. Just got to fly my drone a bit there. Only had 2 flights of it, so hoping I use a bit of the footage in this video. Still learning the ropes. I sort of do the basics, but like I feel a bit nervous when I'm flying it, you know, like I just feel like it's going to drop out the air or something. It's like an expensive bit of kit. So far it seems pretty good. DJI Mini, not the Pro, just the Mini 3. Beautiful. That must be the big walnut whip one we were looking at yesterday. Well, we've made the executive decision to not go up. It was very gnarly indeed. See, there's a walnut whip, so we decided not to.
You would have done it.
I would have done it, yeah. But it's you know, there's no point in doing it if we're not comfortable. So it's so yeah, we're just checking out the surrounding areas now. Yeah, there's no point doing stuff when you're not comfortable doing it. It's just nice to be in Scotland. Look at this. Just a normal day, innit? Heading down into the mid zone where we did the river crossing before. Torridon over there. Just about to go back into the woodland section. Down to the car. And we're about done. Well, I didn't quite go to plan. The route we had, it was a little bit gnarly. I didn't want to put Sarah, she's not brilliant with heights. I'm not good at heights, to be fair. I could have probably done it, like, but you know, But the good thing is, I had a good bit of drone practice. I learnt how to fly my drone, getting a bit more confident with it. Still a few features I think I've grasped the basics, which is good. So yeah, I'm gonna charge it up now and have another fly tonight, hopefully. Watch the sunset. Watch the sunset in the jacuzzi, hot tub. Back on the road. I hope you enjoyed that as much as we did. It's absolutely stunning up there, like stunning vistas. Tired. There's the splash. So far so good. I was a bit worried about taking her on this NC 500 because it's pretty hairy, some of the roads. But so yeah, she's doing alright. She's doing alright. Anyhow, thank you very much for watching. I'll see you on the other side. Peace. Just chilling. Hot tub. Look at those fantastic Munros up there. I think that's a Munro, and I think that is as well. Can't remember the names though. It's got weird names.